Hi everyone, how you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you my very simple makeup routine that was requested by Miss Odette. This time it's Miss Odette. The skincare was requested by HD Signature. So today I'm going to a birthday party that I was invited to for my kid, my youngest one. I'm taking him to a birthday party, and I decided to do this video in order for you to see how I do this makeup, as in the one that it is for me in this makeup session is the foundation. It has no cream, and you see how my skin is looking like very flawless. You're all gonna see it as you continue to watch this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please give me a like and share this video if you think somebody will find it helpful. All right, ladies. So ladies, I am not sure if I'll be able to vlog in the video, I mean at the party, because other kids, other children are going to be there. I'm not sure if their mom or their parent will be comfortable enough for their children to feature in the video. So I'm just gonna go and let's go with the flow. If I'm able to vlog, you're gonna see the rest of the party, and if not, just bear with me, enjoy this video. So ladies, this is Simbi goes to school hairstyle I have going on. It's just for me to put my wig on top of it. So here I go with my brows. I'm using a liquid brow gel that I bought from Amazon. I really like it. It's waterproof. It can last for 24 hours. Even sweat doesn't move it. That's why I like it. I just don't like the fact that it's in the bottle. You have to dispense it on something before you can use it. So I usually do my brows like unicorn, you know, they kind of connected in the center. And the reason is because I wanted to make them to balance out. It's easier for me like that to make them look like, you know, like sisters, like twins, kind of. So I pick up this brush to blend it out, you know, and there I am done. I don't know what happened right there, but I'm sorry about that editing. Here I pick up Hello Pro concealer to use as my base for my foundation, and I pick up the palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be using that shade as my, you know, transition shade. I do my makeup very simple, very easy. I don't really like too much of makeup. Once in a while, if I'm going to a party, I might do the bit of the face, but this is how I do my makeup almost every day if it's not a special occasion. And that palette is by Jackie Aina. There I was confused of what eyeshadow to use, but I just decided to go with the flow of whatever I pick up, and I kept on applying it on my eyelid. I'll pick up another brush and another eyeshadow to blend that color out, also from the same palette by Jackie now. And I will pick up a clean brush also later. As you continue to watch, I will use that to blend the eyeshadow out in order for them to blend together. I actually used 3 shades of eyeshadow, but you can hardly tell because I blended them all seamlessly. All I did was blend, blend, blend. I apply my liquid eyeliner. Very simple and natural. It's not too much of anything going on right there. Also, I use false lashes, but I took the false lashes out because I wasn't feeling them, and I use liquid eyeliner. Very simple. Then I'm going in with the primer by Becca to mattify my face a little bit more. Then I blended it into my skin with a brush. Applied Remy London setting spray also. This is a concealer by Ezekiel, made in Nigerian brand, and concealer that was given to me by the Top Black Chick. And this is how I started. I just put you all have seen it, I put the liquid foundation, I will set it with a powder. Then this is the main gist of today. This foundation is so amazing. You all don't want to sleep on this foundation. This foundation, I've not seen it again. I don't know if they took it off the market. It's the Full Spectrum CoverGirl foundation. It's a powder foundation. This foundation does not burge, it doesn't move. Look at how flawless it made the side of my face compared. Look at the side I did and the other side, and this is the full foundation on my face. My makeup look flawless, and I didn't do too much. It's not liquid, so I decided to go in to do my contour. Very simple, nothing too much going on. I contoured my nose a little bit as well, and I blended everything out of the camera. Then I used the powder by Estee Lauder just to set the whole of my face and make everything to blend together. Then I came in with this blush by Estee Lauder as well, my very old time favorite color of blush. So you see how I'm smiling. I love to use that blush. Then I decided to use this bronzer by Absolute. Use it to give me a little bit of glow going here and there. It blended with my skin really good. I applied it on the bridge of my nose, and I use this brush just to blend everything together. I set it with setting spray also, and applied my lipstick by Estee Lauder. I applied a lip gloss on top of it just to give it a little bit, shine. I love the glossy lipstick. I love my lips to shine a little bit, so I applied that. And I decided to go in and pick another shade just to put under my eyes, just to give that place a little bit color. And look at the entire look, and Simbi goes to school becomes Pretty Demi. And this is how the look, everything turns out. I really like the look. It's very simple. Look at the makeup. It's not too heavy. And this is my outfit of the day that I'll be wearing to the event. It's a birthday party for a 1-year-old. So I like to dress according to the occasion. So I'm just wearing something very comfortable. I switched the belt of the pants to my own belt just to put the look all good together as well. And I apply, of course, my Dossier perfume. You all know how I love this perfume. And I put on my bag with the sneakers, and that is how my entire look come all looking together. I really love it. I decided to put on a denim jacket because it's still a little bit windy and breezy out there. And this is my youngest son. I'll be taking him to the birthday party. This is what he's wearing to the event. So he decided to back the camera. That was his choice. At the same time, all right, this is the birthday party, and this is how the place was decorated. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the theme. I love the color. I love the decoration. It was done from one of the moms in the party, and they are somewhere at the corner just looking at me doing my view. And this is where they were waving. One of them was waving to the camera, and we have the kids all around enjoying the party, going up and down. And that is my son watching the TV, and is watching our Arrow Star. He loves to listen to her, and those are the rest of the kids around. They were all just having fun that day. And this is the celebrant that one of the guests is carrying up and down, and I asked, and mom said it's okay to film, so that is why you're able to see it. And there, Dan, my son is dancing to our star, and I have some other kids enjoying the fun. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.